This 2024 Newmar Super Star 3727 is a Super CRV. It is located in Perry, Iowa, 50220 and is offered for sale by McKee RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Newmar is 37 feet 0 inches in length and features a Palisades, Saguaro, Brighton interior, sleeps 5, Slideout, and 150 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Super C features rear bedroom. This 2024 Newmar Super Star 3727 is built on a Freightliner M-2 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.